So guys, right now I'm opening this machine. All right. Okay. Packaging material. Okay. We get a book. Okay. Okay, and here you go. Some accessories. 3 bobby pins. And we have buttonhole foot and zipper foot, some button swing foot, needles, and bobby pins. All right, here you go. Wow. This is the beauty, guys, with the foot controller, charger, and this is the machine, guys. Alright, careful. Okay. Wow, it's so pretty, it's so beautiful. So this is your machine, guys. This is the machine. You can see the lovely print here, LX3817A, with its reverse sewing lever. This is your easy stitch selector, and this is your bobby pin winder. All right, this is your upper thread tension control dial, so you can use whichever is best for you. 1, 2, 3. This is a free arm. It's packed, guys. Let me remove it for you. Oh, okay. Wow. So this is your free arm for sewing cuffs and your sleeves. This is a jam resistant quick set drop-in tub bobby pin, guys. You can put your bobby pins in here, and it's a jam resistant. Okay, it has LED light. Okay. Beauty. Look at this beauty, guys. It has given a diagram here. Okay, so this diagram is there always. It's gonna be there, so you don't have to worry about it. Look here. It's pretty, guys. It's beautiful, and it's lightweight. Let me show you the behind. The brother company, guys. Oh, to hold it, it has space to hold it, carry. It has the model number. Wow, it has a grip. Beauty, guys, beauty. Thank you for watching my part 2, guys. It has a quick reference guide too. Beautiful. Look at the stitches, guys. It has different stitches. The lever, guys. The reverse sewing lever. And the 17th stitch selector. Beauty, guys. This is beauty. I love it.